Today I'll show you where to find the rear TPMS antennas on an Audi A6 C6. The TPMS antennas are located in the rear wheel arch areas, behind the wheel arch liners. There is one antenna on the rear left side and another antenna on the rear right side. This video shows only the rear antenna's location. These antennas are part of the tire pressure monitoring system. They receive the signal from the tire pressure sensors, and the system uses this information to monitor tire pressure and detect a flat tire. That's it, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.